はい、皆さんこんにちは。元気ですか？Today I would like to teach you what is the extra combination of katakana. Okay? Usually same combination between hiragana and katakana. For example, this is hiragana ka and this is hiragana ga. So with Dakten, it's changed the pronunciation. This is happened in katakana also, exactly same. This is ka and this is ga also. Okay? And the other combination, for example, this is kiya. But do you remember we can make this ya smaller? Kya. Okay, that's kya. This is kiya. Different pronunciation. And this is happen same. This is katakana kya. Okay. So for example, what is we have this word with this kya? For example, caramel. Caramel. Okay, caramel, like sweets. So we have these things. Hiragana, katakana also, okay? Okay, so next combination, something only katakana happen. We have mostly some pronunciation which is only katakana has. So the one thing is this bar. We say like bow stick means, for example, bacon, or chocolate, bacon, chocolate, drag the vowel, okay? Or for example, here in Greece, it's one of the famous islands, Santorini. This bar is only with katakana. We don't have in hiragana, okay? So, Santorini. Okay, that's drag the vowel. So this bar is only katakana, and which word has this bar and which word doesn't have a bar? You need to check. So vocabulary book, for example, then you can check, okay, that's the chocolate in Japanese, chocolate. If you cut it, for example, then it's wrong. No one can understand chocolate. Okay, maybe you can imagine. Chocolate means chocolate. It's a little bit wrong pronunciation, but I can understand similar pronunciation. But if you want to pronounce correctly, please read correctly. Okay, so that's bar. Okay, then the other something, katakana only happen. For example, we. This pronunciation is we. And then this pronunciation doesn't have in hiragana. And how are we going to use, for example, like a foreign name, like somebody from America or from England, William. Foreign name, William. Or Vienna, we call Wien. Vienna, capital city in Austria. So Wien. Or something other, city name in Italy. Venezia. This is ve and zi is not pronunciation in hiragana. It doesn't have it. Okay. Something only katakana. Vene, C, Cia, Venezia, city name in Italy. So, try to check the Genki book. The end of the page, it has a katakana. So, katakana combination, a little bit difficult, but you can used to it. For example, chocolate, something very common. Okay, we have so many katakana word. Coffee, lemon tea, juice. We have so many vocabulary in katakana. So, please check the Genki book and try to practice. And your name and your city name, everything katakana. Okay.